Hello, this is Alex from MovinsEdition. In this MovinsEdition, I will introduce an item that is optimized for running well made by Adidas. It's a new product from MovinsEdition, and since its launch in the 1980s, it's Adidas EQD Running Cushion 93, which has been the representative performance product of Adidas. As you can see from this search, it's hard to get the product and size, and it's a new product with a unique snakeskin feel. Enjoy Adidas EQD Running Cushion 93 on MovinsEdition. Above all, the unique snakeskin pattern is interesting. The backside is also luxurious and unique in that it looks like a snakeskin. The signature and logo on the back is not printed but embroidered, so it's luxurious. It also has Adidas' own technical torsion function, which compensates for the torsion of sneakers. Adidas technology, the torsion function, was a revolution in grip and balance. It's said to offer comfortable running with cushion technology. Above all, the EQD line has a unique snakeskin feel and a cushion outsole optimized for running. This is the new product that only one of the MovinsEdition has, and it's the best on the track. It was Adidas Equipment Torsion Cushion 93 item for comfortable running cushion. Did you enjoy Adidas EQD Running Cushion 93 introduced by MovinsEdition as a unique snakeskin-like new product that is hard to find in home and abroad? Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.